Hey, welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope the voice is clear. I've made some adjustments to the mic. So today we are going for a quick ride somewhere in the outskirts of Pune. Where exactly, I don't know myself. Somewhere outside the city. So let's quickly warm up the bike. So you should always cold start your bike. Hey, leave it on for about 2 minutes. I just strapped up my bag right now over here. My trusty bag that I've got from Amazon. Real good value for money. It's not very expensive. And my tank bag, which will go onto the tank, obviously. No, but you can also use this as a tail bag, but I prefer using this as a tail bag and this as a tank bag. So let's just quickly get the bike warmed up and then let's get going. It's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and as usual the weather is cloudy, but we were going to leave earlier, but it was raining a little bit, so now we've just left. That's our beloved highway. We're going to quickly get onto it and start moving towards, I think we'll be going today towards Tamini Ghat. This is the weather to be there. This is the weather to be there, I think. Mohi is accompanying me for this ride. Say hi, Mohi. Hi. We've not had a lunch. Both of us are feeling a little hungry. So let's just leave the city. We'll see where we can stop for a lunch. We always have to be careful over here because there are a lot of potholes on this patch. Always have to slow down. There you go. Looks like it seems to have rained over here a little bit. I love Pune for this reason. It's very green. I wonder why I'm not wearing my riding gear except for my gloves. It gives me a good grip on the levers. The reason why I'm not wearing my riding gear is because my wife doesn't have riding gear right now. When she is not wearing riding gear, I don't feel like, I ride in a more cautious manner because neither of us are wearing riding gear. I plan to get some riding gear for her also. So we have to exit the highway at this point because we'll have to go under the highway and then go back in that direction. We have to go under this bridge. This is the highway that we left. Probably in my 7th standard, I'm not sure. I had come cycling from my house to this point. 20 years ago, this area was nothing like what it is today. There were just trees and there was this road. We have a range of 110 kilometers. There are lots of petrol pumps on the ways. I don't have to worry about it. Take a quick left turn. Ambrosia Resort. When we used to be little kids, we used to come here all the time and it was like a major outing for us. This used to be the entrance. It's a resort, it's a restaurant. I used to come here with my family. Nice memories. So we are moving towards Tamini Ghat. First we'll come across a little town called Bugao. There'll be a lake on the left side. It's a beautiful view. That's the lake, Manas Lake. Everywhere the traffic has increased. That's the 1 millionth reason why I love motorcycles. Filter through the traffic. Okay, it's about to rain now. I better pack up my GoPro. I'll see you in a bit. I know the road to Tamini Ghat, but सरळदा पिरंगुट गाव लागेल तिथे विचारा मला माहिती नाही करत. I know the road to Tamini Ghat. I don't want to take a wrong turn by mistake. So let's just start the navigation. You guys are about to see a beautiful valley on my left. Stunning. Only in that part it's raining. You know, around August or September, this area starts to get filled up with these golden color, yellow color flowers. So we are going down the ghat now. There is a small ghat. Oh baby, whoa! Oh shit! Have to keep your eyes on the road. So when we take this right turn, we go back to Baner, and on our way back we take this right turn. About you take a left turn to go to Lavasa, and you keep going straight to go to Tamini Ghat and Mulshi. Beautiful clouds, but the roads are dry up till now at least. But I think towards the later part of the afternoon it could start raining heavily. We have all our rain gear, nothing to worry. Beautiful greenery. Look at this valley. Wow. It's like a passage that goes all the way to that mountain. Very 3D. Came here almost 1.5 years ago. There was so much of dust that time my brakes started to squeak. My Duke 390 was brand new. I didn't want to put it through that kind of punishment, so but now the road is much better. Heavily over there in that direction also. We are right now in this passage where there are no rains. Trying to pass this patch without putting my leg on the ground. Lots of chikkal everywhere, lots of mud. Very slippery, very slippery. Bike is sliding around. The weather is changing quickly. It's going to start pouring. Change of plan. We saw this board called Jal Shrushti Resort. We've decided let's just go and try out a new place. By the way, just look at this. Farms, mountains behind. I hope it's open. दादा होटल चालू है ना? बंद है? Restaurant is closed, so we'll have to hit the main road again. A beautiful looking place. We've stopped here for some chai and have some vada pav. Vada pav break. This is the right weather for it. It's going to be a snack before our main course. Piping hot, very tasty, and with a view like this. I'm going.
Hi.
Having fun?
Yeah. Look at the weather. It's amazing. And this is the perfect snack to have.
2 vada pavs down. Ordered for some moong bhaji also. I'm just binge eating today because you can't say no to these things in this weather. I saw this biscuit. So delicious. Really nice. There are clouds over there on top of that mountain. All that water is coming down here. Everything is lush green. Sound of the wind, trickling of the water, peace, tranquility. This is Tamini Ghat. Hi Mohi. lots of fun, but we have so much of saman in our hand that it's being difficult to enjoy it fully. It's 4:30 in the afternoon just now, and the weather outside is amazing, but it's raining constantly. So we've stopped at this restaurant. I think the name is Quick Bite. We're having some chai. The reason why I'm not removing my jacket is because, you know, to wear a wet jacket once again is going to be really cold, so I'm just keeping it on right now. Back home completely wet. I thought the rains were there only in Moshi. When I came back to Pune also, it was raining heavily and non-stop. So my bike performed very well, no issues whatsoever. But it's feeling a little rough right now. I think the chain needs a little lubing. No issues at all. When I come back home, I quickly wash those difficult to reach areas because otherwise the mud starts to become hard. And today we rode around 130 kilometers. The roads have improved a lot, but unfortunately I couldn't use my GoPro because it was raining heavily. Because it was not just raining, there was a lot of muddy water that might splash onto the GoPro. For that reason I had to take it out. No worries, I'll definitely add whatever I have shot in the video. I used to go to Mushi all the time, and today after many years I went back. I had a lot of fun. We'll ride once again very soon, and Tamani Ghat was breathtaking today. Best weather to go there because everything just looks mind-blowing. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.